Okay, we are now going to look at an alternative formula for the sum of an arithmetic sequence. The reason we need to look at an alternate formula is we can't use this formula here, because in the example that we're going to do, and in some cases, if we don't know the first term and the last term, we can't use that formula. And in this case over here, we don't know the first term, or we know the first term, but we don't know the last term, so we can't use this formula here. For this alternate formula, we need the value of A and D. Now we know A, the first term, is 5, so we know that A is 5. We need to know D to be able to use this formula. And even though we haven't got D given to us straight away, with our knowledge we can work out what D is. So remember that Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. We are told that the seventh term is equal to 29. We know that A is 5, n minus 1, seventh term is 7 minus 1. D, we don't know D, but let's look here. 5 plus 7 minus 1, 5 minus 6D is 29. And hopefully you can tell with our knowledge of equations, I can now work out what D is. I take 5 from both sides. 6D is equal to 24. Divide both sides by 6. So D is equal to 4. So now I have A is 5 and D is 4. So I can use this alternate formula. Now, just a reminder, our alternate formula, Sn is equal to n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times by D. Let's go back to the question. What is the sum of the first 10 terms? So we've got A, we've got D, and it's wanting to know when n is 10. So we can substitute in the information we have. So the sum of the first 10 terms is equal to 10 over 2, because n is 10, 2 times A, so 2 times 5, plus n, remember being 10, 10 minus 1, times by our D, which is 4. So the sum of the first 10 terms, 10 over 2 is 5, 2 times 5 is 10, plus 9 lots of 4. Now you can probably put this into your calculator. I won't. 5, and then it's 10 plus 36, because 9 fours are 36. Then the sum of the first 10 terms is 5 times by 46, and 5 times by 46 gives me 230. So the sum of the first 10 terms is 230. So I needed to use this alternate formula, because for the alternate formula I need A, which I had straight away, N, well I was told first 10 terms, and I had enough information to work out D. I couldn't use this formula because although I had A and I had N, I did not have enough information to work out L. So there are two formulas, depending on what you are given, to find the sum of an arithmetic sequence.